Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make miso buta. This is such a simple dish. It's just pork cooked in miso. It can last about a week in the fridge, and the longer you leave, the better it tastes, so it's great for make ahead. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this miso buta, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Some pork, your favorite part. Today I'm doing 600 gram of rib and 300 gram of thigh. 4 tablespoons each of miso, sake and mirin. 1 tablespoon each of grated garlic, grated ginger and doubanjan, hot bean paste. At first, I'm going to combine all these seasonings in this Ziploc container that I can put all the pork. Miso, sake, mirin, grated garlic, grated ginger, and spicy paste. Give it a mix to dissolve the miso. If you want to add little sweetness, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. And pork. Start by using fork so the seasoning can go into it more easily. On both sides. This pork rib is too big to fit in the container, so let's just cut it into half. Dry them using kitchen paper. And put in the container. And move it around so the pork is all coated with this savory seasoning. Put the lid on, but don't seal it. Just put it on like this and microwave. I did 8 minutes at 600 watts. Flip them over. Put the lid on and microwave one more time. I did another 8 minutes at 600 watts. And it looks like it's cooked through. When I press it down, there is no bloody juice coming out. But how long to microwave totally depends on the size of your pork or how much pork you're cooking. So please use your common sense and adjust. Put the lid back on and leave it at least for 1 hour, if possible overnight, and it's done. Here is miso buta I made earlier today. I left it about 3 hours. Let's slice and serve. Don't forget to put this delicious sauce too. Some sesame seeds and chili strips if you like. And miso butter is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。This makes perfect ramen topping or rice topping. I think I want to make it into a rice ball so that I can enjoy until the last drop of the delicious sauce. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Miso butter is main, but as I said, I want to make it into a rice ball, so let's put it here on top of the rice. Eggplant miso soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about hijiki salad for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh our palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!